insane demo for you. But before we get to the demo, say hello to the one, the only, your favorite American veteran, Sergeant Pyro! Hello! Sergeant Pyro, oh my goodness, on this beautiful day here on the BBQ Rando Ranch. What do we got today?
We got 2-minute white smoke from Demon Pyro.
Yeah,
Pyro
Demon.
Demon.
There we go. No, you're good, you're good. Pyro Demon. And for my friend Ryan, you could see up over there in the corner, there's the item number, the PO5016W. Ryan Chapman, Sergeant Pyro, he is constantly interested with the item number. So it's, listen, everyone's got their thing, and we try to please everybody here.
There you go.
So we're going to flip this around, and I don't know if you could notice, these are some pretty serious tubes. And what we're going to do now, Sergeant Pyro, you had done a 14-hour thorough military review of this, and didn't you say we're going to light both of them at the same time?
Yes, we are. We're going to try to make the ranch disappear.
Yes, we are. And when it comes to Texas next year, we may want to. So we'll have to keep these in mind. And by the way, you can get these at Redbeard's Fireworks Novelties Online.com. One more time, Redbeard's Fireworks Novelties Online.com. Order today. Ships right to your door. Free shipping, $50 or more. Yes! All right, are you ready to head out to the street pad?
Yes, sir.
Let's go! Sergeant Pyro, go! Oh, beautiful. Here we go. We got them both lit. Sergeant Pyro style. Oh, ho, ho. Whoa. Whoa! Oh, we're gonna move here a little bit. Whoa! Look at the plume! Oh, that is amazing! Whoa! We're gonna go out. Okay. Yeah, he's Sergeant Pyro's timing it. All right, Pyro Demon. Oh, look out! Why does smoke always come at you? Have you noticed that?
Yep.
It's the strangest thing. I think it's kind of like farts. You fart in the wind, it comes back. Anyway, we'll edit that out, I'm sure. Comment down below if that happens to you. Not the farts, but the smoke. All right, add the farts in if you want, but
50 seconds.
50 seconds. Oh, these are awesome. I bet you that small plane below thinks they're going to land here on the ranch. I hope not. We're not ready for them. Whoa! We are looking good. We're mobile. You can see. Yeah. Whoa! That is awesome!
90 seconds.
90 seconds, okay. I'm blocking it with my giant shadow. Damn, it's a good looking shadow if I just come in. Yeah, thank you. All right, how do we, oh wait, we're still pluming. How we doing on time?
150.
Okay, you know what? It's gonna make it with the, okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, we're gonna zoom in. You know, God bless you there, Sergeant Pyro. BBQ!